Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Okay, today we learn English 7. The first chapter is about our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. That is last sermon of Rasul Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You know, Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last prophet of Allah, and we should a strong belief in his the last prophet and in his Khatm Nabuwa. Okay, so in first chapter we learn about his sermon. He what says he about his conversation and all about the Islam. So in this chapter we analyze paragraph to identify sentences that supports the main idea. We can take the main idea of whole chapter through examples. Okay, understand the use of dictionary and thesaurus. What do you mean by thesaurus? Thesaurus is also a dictionary through which we can take different meanings and through which we can take many examples other and take them proper meanings. Understand the common noun, proper noun and pronouns. These are common nouns, proper noun and pronouns are explained in this chapter. Differentiate between regular and irregular verbs. Recognition and use punctuation. Punctuation, you know about commas, full stop, where we put these things. We should know about punctuation in this chapter. Understand simple present tense. You know, simple present tense is the first tense in which we use the daily routine. Appropriate expressions, vocabulary and style to give reasons and to expressing ability. Inability to do something, we can express our point of view through these examples. Okay. Now we start our chapter. Let's do reading first. Of first page. Islam covers all the aspects of human life. It is not only a religion but also a complete code of life. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last Rasul of Allah Almighty. At the occasion of performing Hajj, he means sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered his last sermon on 9th Zilhajj 10 after Hijri. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed more than 100,000 companions and advised them to devote their lives for the service of Islam so that they might gain the glory of Allah Almighty. He taught them how to learn, how to lead their lives according to the true spirit of Islam. Now we translate it first and explain it. Okay. Islam covers all the aspects of human life. The first difficult word is aspect. What do you mean by aspect? Pehlu means a part. Okay. Islam covers all the aspects of human life. Islam हमारी ज़िंदगी के इंसानी ज़िंदगी के तमाम पहलुओं को ढांप लेता है. It is not only a religion. ये ना सिर्फ एक मज़हब है. Religion means मज़हब, but also a complete code of life. लेकिन ये ज़िंदगी गुजारने का मुकम्मल ज़ाब्ता है. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet of Allah Almighty. We learned first and discussed about the last prophet of Allah, and we should have a firm belief in it. At the occasion of performing Hajj, आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जब हज के मौके पर ही सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम डिलीवर्ड हिज लास्ट sermon, आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपना लास्ट यानी कि आखिरी खुतबा दिया on 9th Zilhajj. What is the date? That is 9th Zilhajj. Students, learn it by heart. 9th Zilhajj 10 after Hijri. It is also an answer of a question in exercise. He addressed more than 100,000 companions. एड्रेस मीन्स खिताब करना, कॉल करना। ओके, क्या कह रही हैं? आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने कितने से ज़्यादा लोगों से खिताब किया? 100,000 कंपेनियंस। कंपेनियन मीन्स फ्रेंड्स, आपके साथी। एंड एडवाइज दैम टू डिवोट देयर लाइव्स फॉर द सर्विस ऑफ इस्लाम। और उनको क्या एडवाइस की, उनको क्या नसीहत की कि अपनी ज़िंदगी को किसके ऊपर वक्फ कर दें? इस्लाम के ऊपर वक्फ कर दें। सो दैट दे माइट गेन द ग्लोरी ऑफ अल्लाह अलमाइटी, ताकि अल्लाह ताला की वो अज़मत हासिल कर सकें। He sallallahu alaihi wasallam taught them how to lead their lives according to true spirit of Islam. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उनको ये तरीका सिखाया कि वो अपने सच्चे जज्बे के साथ इस्लाम पे कैसे ज़िंदगियाँ कुर्बान कर सकते हैं और किस तरह अपनी ज़िंदगियाँ गुजार सकते हैं असल जज्बे इस्लाम के साथ। ओके, इन दिस पैराग्राफ व्हाट इज वी लर्न अबाउट? द फर्स्ट वन इज डेट ऑफ लास्ट sermon and the teachings of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in his whole life. Okay, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam addressed more than 100,000 people that all are his companions. Okay students, in next lecture we learn about more about this chapter. Now we complete our paragraph. In the sermon, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave such guideline to the Muslims and the entire humanity that aimed to improve their social, moral, personal, political life. Here is the extract from the sermon. Now, the translation of the remaining part of this paragraph is, in the sermon he gave such guideline. आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अपने आखिरी खुतबे में ऐसी रहनुमाई दी टू द मुस्लिम्स, तमाम मुसलमानों को, एंड द इंटायर ह्यूमैनिटी, और तमाम मुकम्मल इंसानियत को, दैट एम्ड टू इम्प्रूव देयर, उसका मकसद क्या था? इम्प्रूव, बेहतरी लाना, देयर सोशल, सोशल मीन्स सियासी, सोशल मीन्स माशरती, मोरल इखलाकी, पर्सनल ज़ाती, एंड पॉलिटिकल मीन्स सियासी, लाइफ ज़िंदगी के बारे में। हेयर इज़ द एक्सट्रैक्ट मीन्स खुलासा, होल मीन्स होल मेन आइडिया फ्रॉम द sermon. Now in next lecture we learn about these points which are the main ideas of sermon. Inshallah.